Hello, welcome to New Focused Approach to Mathematics Basic 7 Revised Edition. In this video, we want to learn how to form algebraic expressions from real life situations. And this lesson can be found in page 198 of your textbook. So we want to learn how to form algebraic expression. Our previous pages, we were looking at how to write algebraic expressions generally using mathematical terms. Now we want to also look at another aspect whereby we will involve real life experiences. For example, we say a man is 4 times as old as his son. 4 years ago, he was 6 times as old as the son. Write this in a mathematical sentence. Write this in a mathematical sentence. So now let's start one after the other. Now the trick in working with these word problems is pick every sentence, okay, or treat a sentence separately, step by step, then you put them together finally. So don't read all the sentences and try to quell everything together. You always have problem with it. So take it one after the other. So let's start with the first sentence. A man is 4 times as old as his son. That means the son, we can represent the son because if we know the son's age, we can know the man's age. That makes it easier because they said a man is 4 times as old as his son. So what is the son's age? Then we can know 4 times that age. So we can say, okay, let the son be equal to, maybe let's call it n. Okay, now if this is the son's age, then the man will be 4 times as old as the son. It makes it clear, right? Then 4 years ago, now assuming my age is 15 years now, 4 years ago, what will be my age? That means I have 15 minus 4. 4 years ago, I was 11 years. Put it that way. I was 11 years. 4 years to come, that means if you add 4 years to my 11, then today I am 15 years. Again, if my age is, let's say, 14 years, and we say 5 years to come, 5 years to come, that means 5 years to come, my age will be 14 plus 5. So this should be a key for you. So if I say 4 years ago, then I'm making reference to for the age that I am currently minus 4. Okay, now today the son is n years. The man also be 4 times n. 4 years back, the son was n minus 4. 4 years back, the son was n minus 4. And the man will be 4n minus 4. That's 4 years back. Because whatever be their age today, 4 years back, each of them will go backwards 4 years. Right. So this is how we will write. So 4 years ago alone is giving us these two expressions. 4 years ago, the son is n minus 4 and the father is n 4n minus 4. Now I'm going to conclude the sentence. 4 years ago, the man, he was 6 times as old as his son. So this 4 years age, the relationship between the two will be the man is equal to 6 times the son. You get it? 4 years ago, he was 6 times as old as the son. So the man, which is 4n minus 4, is 6 times as old as the son. And that is how we can write this in mathematical form. I hope it makes sense. Good. Let's try another example. A girl subtracted 3 from a certain number. Okay, so let's say a certain number, I don't know the number, so let me call the number, let's say x. A girl subtracted 3 from this x. Full stop, I'm done with that. She then multiplied the result. You see, this is my results now. Okay, She then multiplied the result by 4. You see, after subtracting 3 from the number that he has, whatever be the outcome is s minus 3. She then multiply everything by 4. So you have to put all together in a bracket, 4, and add 8 as the final result. So the final result, which is equal to then 8, then we get this mathematical statement, and we call it equation. Okay, we call it equation. The previous one also is an equation. This one is an equation, which in the subsequent pages we'll be looking at how to solve them. Okay, let's call the last one. Mr. Zuta is 4 times as old as his daughter. Again, Mr. Zuta, we don't know his age, but is 4 times as old as his daughter. So if the daughter is, let's say, u years, okay, Mr. Zuta, so let me say daughter is equals to u years, then Mr. Zuta will be 4 times u. Beautiful. Now, okay, so here they mentioned the day. So let me, is it Mr. Zuta is 4 times as old as his daughter Dede. So this is Dede. Okay, let me write the whole thing and make it Dede so that it will be easier for us to understand. Okay, so Dede, now how old is Dede now? Dede we don't know, so we are saying that Dede is equal to u years. Then Zuta, Mr. Zuta, okay, will be 4 times today's age. That's what the question is saying. Now, full stop. In 5 years' time, comma, let's pause there. He will only be 3 times as old as the daughter. In 5 years, so in 5 years, so let's say in 5 years, okay, to come, the day will then be u plus 5. Mr. Zuta will be 4u plus 5. So 5 years to come, this will be their ages. But then there's a relationship between their ages as we enter the 5th year. And that relationship is going to be, in 5 years to come, the man, he will only be 3 times. So the man who is now 4u plus 5 will be 3 times as old as the daughter. So 3 times the daughter's age in 5 years, which is u plus 5. All right, so let me write it well here. Okay, so this is how the whole thing is going to look like. So 5 years to come, Mr. Zuta is going to be 3 times as old as the daughter. 3 times as old as the daughter, and the daughter in 5 years to come is u plus 5, so it will be 3 times u plus 5. So this is how we write this mathematical statement from this word problem. With this, we come to the end of this video. Thanks so much for choosing New Focus Approach to Mathematics. See you again.